You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this verb correctly in English. If you want to learn how to say more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Wrap up. The W is silent, so you pronounce it as just wrap. Wrap up. How to pronounce wrap up. English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.